Looking for the best preschool in Lahore? Where your child is seen, heard, and celebrated. Where learning feels like play and play builds lifelong foundations. Where confidence grows, curiosity leads, and every child shines in their own way. Welcome to Treehouse School Lahore. We're rooted in respect, built on connection, and inspired by children. Our early bird admissions are now open for January 2026. Give your child a joyful start, one that feels just like home.